Suggestions for a first time are here with the expectation of a large harvest of a variety of different items. We've been suggested to get a stand-up style deep freeze to help with organization. Is this the best choice?
I'm going to say yes. It does help with organization. I think you do lose a little bit of like square footage because of the drawers.
Right, because you're not just throwing everything into a box and then
Right.
you have to dig it all out.
But Joe and I both, we have a stand-up one.
It's camouflage. Can't find the sucker.
And a chest freezer. And sometimes I don't like having to dig through the chest one because it gets cold.
The thing that you always want is at the bottom.
Yes. Yes. But it does come in handy, like if you get a good deal on some frozen food items and you know that you're not going to need those right away. But items that we do want to access sooner than later, I like to put in the stand-up freezer, including like any sort of frozen vegetable, fruit, whatever. That way it's easier to get to and utilize. So I would suggest, like, if you are going to use it for freezing harvest, I would definitely get the stand-up one. Yes, you do lose a little bit of
the square footage,
but it's worth it because you having access to whatever you are trying to have access to is going to be a lot easier. Now, if it doesn't make sense to have a door that swings open in the space, then a chest freezer, the door swings up, something to also consider. And
that was one of the things that we looked at when my grandmother was still alive. She had an upright freezer and there's, and a chest freezer. And I forget the conversation was, and she enjoyed the upright, though it was less space. All the meat and it was organized. All of everything was organized in which she didn't have drawers in hers. It was just like a refrigerator shelf thing. Yeah. And it was, I don't know, probably 1978 or whatever.
Yeah.
Those things will outlast you, and it did.
Right.
But it certainly, the drawers for ours makes it very convenient that this can all be this item, this can all be this item, and it's easy to access. Though the chest freezer is good for long-term larger items.
Like if you were to
like
do
roast or that type of thing.